Want a brand new Las Vegas townhome with solar included, modern designs, and incentives that bring the price down to just $380,000? Today, I'm touring 3 gorgeous Beazer homes at Majestic Point South, and these deals won't last long. Hi everyone! 안녕하세요. 你好. I'm Lauren Chenfu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. Today, we're checking out Majestic Point South by Beazer Homes, located right here in the booming Southwest Las Vegas area. This community is offering some amazing incentives and deals right now, and I'm going to take you on a full tour of 3 model homes so you can see which one might fit your lifestyle. Stick around because at the end, I'll also share the current incentives you don't want to miss. Let's start with the Barclay floor plan, the largest plan in this community. The Barclay starts from the low $500,000, but you're getting 4 bedrooms and anywhere from 2 to 3.5 bathrooms. The square footage is 1,996 to 2,047 square feet, so it's definitely the largest option here. This layout is perfect if you need extra space, maybe a home office, a guest room, or even a playroom. The flexibility is a huge plus. Majestic Point South is a brand new townhome community starting in the low $400,000. Homes here range from 3 to 4 bedrooms with 2 to 3.5 bathrooms, and anywhere from 1,226 to just over 2,000 square feet. Some of the big highlights of these homes are: solar panels are included in every home, which means lower utility bills. Low maintenance lifestyle, perfect if you want a lock and leave home. You are just minutes from Mesa Park and have quick access to 215 highways. Families will love that you're close to top-rated schools. And for pet lovers, yes, there's even a dog park built right into the community. So whether you're a first-time buyer, downsizing, or even looking for an investment, this community has something for everyone. Thanks to the fully included solar panels on every home, your monthly energy costs can stay impressively low, averaging just $30 to $60 per month, depending on the size of the home. That's an incredible savings, especially here in Las Vegas. Next up is the Bedford. This one offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, but it's 2-story plan with 1,371 square feet. The standout here is the kitchen, lots of counter space, a spacious island, and an easy flow into the dining and living areas. It's great for entertaining or just keeping things open and bright. take a look inside their building materials. Beazer uses 2x6 construction on the exterior walls, paired with premium insulation and advanced energy-saving technology. And here's a fun example. Thanks to the high-quality insulation, even in the blazing Las Vegas summer, you could leave a chocolate bunny in the attic and it wouldn't melt. That's how effective this home is at keeping the heat out and the cool air in. Finally, let's check out the Griffin floor plan. This home is a 2-story with 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout and a little over 1,200 square feet. What I love about the Griffin is how efficient the design feels, open concept living, modern finishes, and just the right amount of space for small families or even someone who wants a roommate setup. And again, every home comes with an 8-panel, 2.3 kilowatt solar system included, which keeps your energy bills low from day one. Plus, the garage is already pre-wired for an EV charger, so you're future-ready for electric vehicles. Now, here's the exciting part. Beazer Homes is offering some incredible incentives on these townhomes right now. Depending on when you buy, you could get closing cost assistance, up to $25,000 in flex credit, a free appliance package, or even lower interest rates through their preferred lender. And here's where I come in. With my experience and negotiation skills, I can make sure you get the best price possible. On a home listed over $420,000, I've been able to help buyers get that price down to around $380,000. These promotions change often, so if you're serious about getting the best deal, now is definitely the time to take advantage. And that brings us to the end of our tour here at Majestic Point South by Beazer Homes in Southwest Las Vegas. If you'd like the latest pricing, details on current incentives, or to schedule your own private tour, my contact information is down below in the description. But don't wait too long. Homes in this community are moving fast. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button, subscribe for more Las Vegas home tours, and let me know in the comments which floor plan you pick. I'll see you in the next video.